Planning an apartment move in Rochester, New York? Whether you're relocating locally or long distance, understanding the costs and services available is crucial. Let's explore what you need to know. Apartment moving costs in Rochester vary based on several factors. On average, moving a one-bedroom apartment locally costs around $432, while moving a two-bedroom apartment can average up to $971. For larger homes or additional services, costs may increase. Several elements impact your moving expenses. Home size. Larger apartments require more time and resources. Distance. Longer distances increase transportation costs. Additional services. Packing, storage, and specialty items add to the price. Building accessibility. Stairs or lack of elevators may incur additional fees. Rochester offers a variety of moving services to suit your needs. Full-service moves, comprehensive services covering packing, loading, and transportation. Labor-only moves, hiring movers to assist with loading and unloading your rental truck. Specialty moves, handling items like pianos or antiques. Consider these reputable moving companies in Rochester. On Day Move offers affordable apartment and condo moving services starting at $350, with no hidden fees. 3 Movers provides local and long-distance moving services with transparent pricing and no deposit required until your move is confirmed. Shed It Solutions, known for competitive and fair pricing, making it a cost-effective choice for customers. Movco, consistently praised for offering great value with very affordable, fair pricing. To keep costs down, declutter before you pack. Reduce the volume of items to move. Book midweek, avoid weekend premiums, compare quotes. Obtain estimates from multiple companies. Plan ahead. Schedule your move during off-peak seasons. By understanding moving costs and planning ahead, you can ensure a smooth and affordable move in Rochester. Thanks for watching. For more moving tips and advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.